Hey guys, this is Mrs. Likes. I'm going to be doing your reteach today on customary and metric conversions. We're going to do two metric conversions and two customary conversions, and then we're going to go ahead and have you retake your test and hopefully improve your grade. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me share my screen. Share. All right, so we're going to start off with the metric conversions. Everyone should have a copy of their STAR math chart in their Schoology folder. You're going to want to have that open so that way you can see what you need to convert your units. So we're starting with the metric conversions. We have 37 centimeters and we want to know how many millimeters this is. So centimeters to millimeters. I'm going to look at the metric side of my chart and I see that 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Okay, so 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. And my problem tells me I have 37 of those centimeters. So I need to figure out what that is for millimeters. I'm looking for a relationship with these numbers. So if I look, I went from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10, I multiplied here. 1 times 10 gives me 10. So that means I can do the same on this side to get my answer. So I'm going to set that up. 37 times 10. Anything times 0 is 0. So 0 times 7, 0 times 3, 0 placeholder. Then I start again. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 3 is 3. If I add that up, I get 370 millimeters, okay? Because the metric system is a power of 10, because I multiplied by 10, that's the same thing as adding a 0 to the back of this number, okay? So that also could have been a way you solve for this. Let's look at the next one that we had for metric. It says that I have 96 milliliters and I want to know how much that is in liters. So I'm going to take a look at my star chart. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Well, they gave me milliliters first, so I'm going to put that. I have 1,000 milliliters. That's equal to 1 liter. Okay. I have 96 milliliters. I need to figure out what that is in liters. Again, I'm looking for a relationship, okay? If I look here to the side, I went from 1,000 down to 1. Because I decreased in value, I had to have divided. 1,000 divided by 1,000 is 1. So I can do the same on this side. I can divide by 1,000, okay? Remember, your total goes underneath your house. Here's my total. The parts that I want it broken into goes on the outside. Okay. I cannot divide this way, so I'm going to have to add a decimal and some zeros. Okay, so I'm going to put 0, 0, 0 because I'm going to start here. How many thousands will fit into 9,600? You said 9, you are correct. I'm going to subtract that. I have 600 left over. I need to add another 0. How many thousands go into 6,000? If you said 6, you also are correct, and that will end out my problem. So now I need to transfer my answer. I do not have to keep the zeros in front of the decimal if I do not want to. It does not change the value of my answer, but I do need to make sure I have a decimal 096. Decimal 096. Okay. All right, let's go on down to our customary conversions. This one says I have 16 gallons and I want to know how many quarts that is. So now we'll be looking at the left side of our star chart. I'm looking for gallons to quarts. Right here, 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. So let's set that up. 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. It says that I have 16 of those gallons, okay? If I look for my relationship, I see I went up from 1 to 4. So I had to have multiplied. 1 times 4 gives me 4. So I can do the same over here, 16 times 4. Set up my multiplication, 4 times 6, 24, carry my 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. So my answer here is 64 quarts. Okay. All right, last one for customary. I have 98 pounds. They want to know how many tons that is. So pounds to tons, right here. It says that 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. So they gave me the pounds, so I'm going to put that first. 2,000 pounds is equal to 1 ton. And it says that I have 98 of those pounds, okay? I'm going to look for my relationship. Off to the side, I went from 2,000 down to 1. Because I decreased, that means I divided. 2,000 divided by 2,000 is 1. So I can do the same over here. I'm going to set up my division house. Remember, my total goes under the house. I have a total of 98 pounds, and I want to divide it into 2,000 pieces. Okay, I can't divide, so I'm going to add my decimal and some zeros. I can't. So I'm going to start here. How many 2,000s will go into 9,800? Let's count off our 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10's too much, so I need to go with 4. 2 times 4 is 8,000. 8,000. Okay, we're going to subtract that. 0, 0, 8. 9 from 8 is 1. So now I have 1,800. I need to add a 0. Okay. If I were to just cover up these zeros and then cover up these zeros, think of it this way. What times 2 will give me 18? What times 2 will give me 18? If you said 9, you are correct. My problem is zeroed out. Now I need to transfer my answer. Remember, the zeros in front of the decimals we do not need to keep. You can if you want to, but I do need my decimal and everything that comes after it. 0, 4, 9. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I hope this has cleared up some of the confusion, and hopefully you are now able to confidently go take that retest to improve that test grade from Friday. All right, guys, go ahead and log into your test and have a great day.